So I know I just showed you a house tour the other day, but a friend of mine has this amazing house and she's moving out, and I need to show it to you because you will not believe how much it is. Now, she was unhappy with some of the amenities, but the house itself has such amazing design and craftsmanship, and it's just huge. This house is located about 5 minutes outside of Centro on the way to Comitán. It is located inside a gated community that the taxi driver would have to present his ID before going in and would get the ID back on his way out. The house is gorgeous. Did I mention it was gorgeous? I mean, look at this place. It has water fountains, a perfectly manicured patio. It has 2 sitting areas on the outside. And then this hallway leads to the maid's quarters, which we'll see towards the back of the hallway. We'll revisit that at the end of the tour. The living area has a whole living room set. It has a fireplace and then a huge dining room table. The kitchen is equipped with a full stove, plus it has a microwave, a refrigerator, still small, and a water filtration device. There's also a water feature inside the house. This is the master bedroom. This bedroom has a small closet here, but it also has a full walk-in closet. And inside the closet, you'll find the master bathroom. Gorgeous bathroom with different patterns and textures and a full tub. Now keep in mind that I said that my friend that was living here was having problems with the amenities, and one of these amenities was water to fill the tub with. This is a half bath located right outside of the living room. Then when you go halfway up the stairs, you'll find the second bedroom. Now, all the bedrooms in this house have a private bathroom, and most of them have a queen size bed, or like they call it here, matrimonial. They also need to have closets and TVs. Now, when we go up to the top, this is where the rest of the bedrooms reside, the 3 other ones. TV, cama matrimonial, and a private bathroom. This is the only bedroom that doesn't have windows to the outside, so they put a window into the hallway, and the hallway has windows, so it does get a lot of sunlight. It, I guess, just doesn't have as much privacy. And again, it has its own bathroom. And the last bedroom in the upstairs. Cama matrimonial and a private bathroom. You can see all the details that this house has. Every surface, every little corner niche has such amazing attention to detail, and it's like the whole nature in kind of concept. Now, this is the maid's quarters that I was telling you about. We're now at the end of the hallway, and this first room would be considered a bedroom, and it has its own bathroom that I didn't go into. And then this kind of looks like it's been set up to be maybe a kitchen for the maid, or kitchen/living area. The cabinets made me think that. And then this is the laundry room, and it has another bathroom in there. The house also has a 1-car garage, and it includes the gardening and the water. The issues that my friend had were keeping it warm, getting constant water flow, heated water, and gas issues. But as far as I understand, they have been taken care of. It just took a really long time for that to happen. Having said that, I still wanted to show it to you because I think it's such a gorgeous house. This huge house in San Cristobal was only 30,000 pesos, which is 1,500 US dollars. Where I'm from, in Miami, you can get a 1-bedroom tiny apartment maybe for that much. if you get lucky. Hope you enjoyed the tour. See you soon. Bye.